Okay, class, we're finally here at the place. Yay, pool! Hello, everyone. Welcome to my mermaid palace. Oh yeah, that's my friend, Jarita. Hey, who brought your classmates, eh? Well, I hope you guys will have a good time. Bye. Guys, who likes her? You, me too. Me 3. Me 4. Me 5. And I like how you did the pirate ship. Wait a second. I found my final touch. Okay, guys, ready? 5 plus 1 equals 6. I'm 6. Am I in the sea? You're in the horror park. Wow, that's unknown. You guys want to have some fun? Splash around. I just got dodge for the audience. I'm not going. Oh, that's okay. I'm in a wheelchair. I'm on trottoir, and I have a rare cat disease. Oh, that's okay with me. I guess I'll take the tip myself. Splash, splash. Plussy! Plus. Okay, class. It's a good, fun day at Beach Kids anyway. By the way, did y'all all do y'all's homework? Yes. Okay, good. Let me check out the window. Sunny days today. You know, if I could play with my tail around. Splash, 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 splash. Splash. What? Okay. Shook. I never heard of that before. Of course you haven't. It's because I'm a mermaid. Splash, 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 splash.